Fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, have been the dominant energy sources for centuries. Currently, global oil consumption is close to 100 million barrels per day. The International Energy Agency projects that global oil demand will peak in 2028 before declining. The top oil-consuming countries are United States, China, India, Russia, and Saudi Arabia. But what are the disadvantages of these fossil fuels? And what can we do about this? The first disadvantage is the environmental problems it causes. Burning fossil fuels releases harmful pollutants, such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter, which contribute to smog, respiratory diseases, and acid rain. Fossil fuel combustion produces carbon dioxide, a major contributor to climate change and global warming. Oil spills, coal mining runoff, and fracking chemicals contaminate water bodies, harming aquatic ecosystems and drinking water supplies. Oil spills have caused significant environmental disasters throughout history. One of the most well-known cases is the oil spill in Deepwater Horizon, Gulf of Mexico, in 2010. The volume of the oil spill was 4.9 million barrels or 206 million gallons. It was the largest marine oil spill in history and caused severe damage to marine life, fisheries, and coastal economies. Extracting fossil fuels disrupts ecosystems through deforestation, mining, and drilling, leading to loss of biodiversity. Fossil fuels also have economic and social disadvantages. They are non-renewable energy sources. Fossil fuels take millions of years to form and are being depleted much faster than they can be replaced. Fossil fuel prices fluctuate due to political instability, supply-demand changes, and geopolitical conflicts, affecting global economies. Pollution from fossil fuels is linked to respiratory diseases, heart conditions, and cancers, leading to increased healthcare costs. They cause energy dependence. Many countries rely on fossil fuel imports, making them vulnerable to supply disruptions and foreign market control. There are also technological and sustainability disadvantages. Fossil fuels waste significant energy as heat during combustion, making them less efficient than some renewable alternatives. As the world transitions to cleaner energy, fossil fuel-based infrastructure is becoming outdated, requiring costly upgrades or replacements. Due to these disadvantages, many countries are shifting towards renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power for a more sustainable future. And what can we do about this? To address the disadvantages of fossil fuels, we can take several steps at the individual, community, business, and government levels to transition toward cleaner, more sustainable energy sources. Governments and businesses should prioritize solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal energy to replace fossil fuels. Homeowners can install solar panels to generate clean electricity and reduce dependence on the grid. It is important to support green energy programs. Many utility companies offer renewable energy options. Choose those if available. If you are liking the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, so we can keep making videos for you. Improve energy efficiency is also important. Switch to LED lights, smart thermostats, and energy-saving appliances to reduce electricity use. Drive fuel-efficient or electric vehicles, EVs, reducing reliance on gasoline by driving hybrid or electric cars. Improve insulation, use energy-efficient windows, and invest in better heating, cooling systems. Measures to reduce fossil fuel consumption such as the use of public transportation, carpool, or bike. Adopting of a low-carbon lifestyle. Reducing waste. Consuming locally produced goods, and conserving water and electricity. Eating more plant-based foods helps to minimize environmental problems. The meat industry has a high carbon footprint. Eating less meat can help reduce emissions. These are some measures that can help minimize the problems caused by the use of fossil fuels. By making individual choices and supporting large-scale actions, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and move towards a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future. Would you like to know more about a specific topic? Let me know in the comments. If you want to learn more about the environmental impacts of fossil fuels or sustainable technologies, check out the videos in the description. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It would be great if you could leave a comment too.